One thing you don't find in Norway that you find everywhere in America is rubbing alcohol. I swear, you can't get this anywhere. Please let me know if you can get it somewhere in Norway. I need to know. Now, rubbing alcohol is for like if you get cuts or something like that, it disinfect it. What I use it for is when I shave my head, then I get a cotton ball. Oh, it's gonna be gnarly. I get a cotton ball. You can see, whoa, and just, or like shave my face or whatever like that, because you got dirt on your head, dirt on your face, and then you're basically cutting yourself when you're shaving. So to disinfect it and to do all that stuff, you rubbing alcohol, and then you put moisturizer on afterwards. But I saw in Americans in Norway Facebook group that a lot of Americans were complaining you can't find it in Norway. So we always just bring it from America every time we go. So let me know if I'm missing it and you can find it in Norway, because I haven't been able to. But let me know. See, a combination of dirt, sweat, hair. You definitely want to get rid of that stuff off of your face, off of your body. So the alcohol will completely dry out your skin. So for my scalp, after I shave and use alcohol, then I use this stuff. This is also from the States. It's really nice. And for like my face and stuff, I just use lotion. So that's my skincare routine.